My name is Dennis, and I'm a manual operator of Viking Plastics, and my 2-second improvement was spill kit signs. The reason for the signs was when we got new employees in here, when we had people in here to look for things, they didn't have any idea where the signs were at, so we had labeled them so people knew where these kits were at. Inside these kits are pillows to absorb a lot of oil in areas. There's also little round rolls that keeps everything into a certain area so it doesn't expand out. There's also pads that also absorbs oil as well. And then there is a cat litter that will suck up everything so it's just an easier cleanup. My name is Dennis, and that was my 2-second improvement, and I'm a manual operator of Viking Plastics.